channel. It's me again, Anna Agustin, your unboxing girl. So for today's video, we will do another unboxing. Yay! So I want to share with you this new product that I've discovered. Yes, and I know many of you, many makeup lovers will definitely love this product. So let's start. As you can see, here's the box. Look at it. It's color green. It's a very classy. The packaging looks so classy, right? So let's start. Yan. So this is from Gxdiffuser. Yeah. Makeup Airbrush set. So this is my first time to use this product. Start. Yes. Here we go. Let's use this. Sorry. Wow. So the packaging is really classy. You may use this as a gift to your friends who are makeup lovers. Yan. This is so presentable, guys. Look. Yes. So it is written in Chinese letters. Looks like a jewelry box. Do you agree? So here we go. Wow, look at this. It's so amazing. So here is the guide, quick start guide. So there you go. There are product details. One by one, the power button, jet button, charging port, spray tube, nozzle, mist, volume, intensity screw, capacity cap, air pump body. So let's start to set it up. Here we go. This is the power button, and this is where you can charge this. So this is the good thing about this product is this is rechargeable, so very convenient. Start. Make sure that you will close it tightly. So there are two tubes where you can put your product, your serum or your toner, liquid makeup. This is 5 ml and this is 20 ml. So let's use this 5 ml. We will use my toner. Put my toner here. Just a few drops. It depends on you how you may need this. And let's close the cap. So this is the nozzle for the intensity volume. You may adjust this if you want to more higher level or lower. This is where you can adjust. So let's start. Power button, turn on. There's an air already going out. Then using this button, just press this one for the water to go out. Look. See? So let's put it on my face. Wow, so refreshing, guys. So this is a nano technology. I love it. So this is a nanotechnology that helps promote absorption and nutrients. And after you use this, you will feel the smooth and elasticity and more radiant of your face. I love it. Let's put it again. I close my eyes because I use my toner to spread on my face. And be careful when you put it on your face. Like my toner, it's a little bit irritating if you put on your eyes, so maybe you better close your eyes. But this one is so refreshing, guys. I love it. Very useful. I think it is useful for your product to for your face to absorb right away the product on your face. As I can feel, it's already smoothened my face. Dried up already. No droplets. No droplets remains. So definitely recommended this, guys. Especially to makeup lovers like me. And you may also use this as a gift to your family, to your loved ones, to your friends. And this is a very, very convenient, guys. It is rechargeable and it is affordable. You may get yours to Alibaba or Amazon Prime, and it is very affordable, guys, for girls out there. So good. As it look at the packaging, so classy. And then there's a guide here. If you want to understand more how to use, there are the steps and the precautions and troubleshooting. So maintenance. So if you want to clean this, just a soft cloth to dry up. So that's it, guys. That's my vlog for today, and I hope you can get yours too, for you to try. And I really recommend this because aside from it's very convenient, I can feel my face right away, that it absorbs right away the toner that I put on my face. So that's it, and thank you for watching my vlog. And if you still have another products that you want me to try for product reviews or unboxing, just comment down below and I'll be doing your requests if I can. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Again, this is from Gxdiffuser. Gxdiffuser, and I really love this. Get yours now. Lovely people, so if you're in love also with this product, this amazing product, Gxdiffuser Airbrush set, so I'm gonna leave the link on my comment section and on my description box, the link where you can buy your own Gxdiffuser Airbrush set, so you can have your $10 discount per piece when you will mention my name on the customer service, and just mention my name and ANNE and on the customer service, so you can avail this product and get $10 discount per piece. So what are you waiting for, guys? Just look at my comment box and description box, so you can see and click the link and grab yours, this product that will definitely and absolutely suit and match your skincare routine. So if you want to get a discount, just mention my name to the customer service and ANNE. And that's all, guys, and see you around, and hope you can get yours. What are you waiting for?